So today we have a group of students from Berkner and from J.J. Pierce High School that are interested in engineering. The theme is everyone can be successful in engineering and technology. They are interacting with the UTD engineering students, and they are also interacting with business partners through Tech Titans to learn about engineering, to compete in a challenge that is actually a pulsometer.
We were building a optical sensor LED photo detector using one of those to create a heart rate monitor. STEM connects directly with this.
I'm always interested in finding out new information about what I can expect in my future. So hearing the perspective of these female engineers here was absolutely vital to everything that I do.
When we can get students out onto a college campus and they can visit with actual college students and see themselves in this setting, then we know that they can be successful.